Hello, class of Math 2050. My name is Christopher Johnson, student ID F00642530, and instructor Dr. Evans. And today's date is July 14, 2026. And today I'm about to present to you my presentation, number 2 presentation. And I want to thank you guys for giving me an opportunity to display my presentation. Thank you. Number 1, the introduction. Hello, class of Math 2050, Statistics 1 of the Statistical Presentation. As individuals, we tend to believe that faith is considered to be personal or emotional, in which we take it as the statistics are just basically numbers. However, we have the ability in order to blend them, whereas it provides people like us proof and verification on how belief guides the development of global cultures and more. My goal for this statistical presentation too, that I will provide my recent research of worldwide religious affiliation, whereas I am not trying to put any religion down or trying to disrespect any religion. My whole objective is to be able to display what demographic data let people like us know about culture. Number 2, the global chart of fate landscape. When you see in figure 1, you can see the current breakdown, in which you can see that the larger group of them all in the religious group of Christians coming in at 29%, that the second religion group are the Muslims coming in at 25.6%. Moreover, it is people that has no religion at all, in which they frequently are considered as nuns, that comes in at 24.2%, whereas the Hindus comes in at 14.9%, and that the Buddhists comes in at only 4.1%. Pew Research Center 2025, due to less of 1/4 individuals that is not affiliated with any religion, in which means that approximately 75.8% of these individuals worldwide does identify themselves for the religion. Pew Research Center 2025. Number 3, the facts of population dynamics of fate. Class of Math 2050, you want to know why those other groups are larger than others? Pursuant to Pew Research Center 2025, that it is due to age and birth rates. Over a 10-year span from 2010 until 2020, it was learned that Islam had added approximately 327 million people really fast, which is way more growth of any other group of religion altogether. This type of growth occurred because of the higher birth rates and the younger population. Pew Research Center 2025. On the other hand, when it comes to the Buddhist religious population, it was learned that they had dropped by approximately 19 million individuals, whereas that is linked to due to aging population and the low birth rates over in East Asia. Pew Research Center 2025-2026. Number 4, the effect of leaving one's childhood fate. A major factor that is going on is called religious switching, and another name they have for it is called secularization, whereas the group that is not affiliated had grown to approximately 24.2% due to the fact that many of the adults had left their religion they once were a part of, what they had grown up in. Pew Research Center 2025. You want to know who were hit the most? It was Christianity, wherein they decreased from 31% to about 29.9% of the global population for at least 10 years. The Pew Research Center 2025 said that the biggest losses were of the young adults individuals in both North America and Europe. By comparison, the Hinduism and Islam had kept a lot of their members. Less than 1% of the individuals within those faiths leave globally. Pew Research Center 2025. Number 5, the conclusion. In conclusion, I will just say that I hope that you all enjoyed my presentation, whereas anyone can see crystal clear that global religious patterns are changing due to demographic, not theology, in which the high birth rates that led to growing in some areas wherein people are leaving their religion that creates growth of individuals unaffiliated in other areas. And with you seeing the numbers, it provides us a better understanding of where global culture is going. Further, I had decided and picked religious demographics due to the fact that when students went to school, the schools mostly had separated faith and data in our classrooms. And the times that we come around to anything religious is when we are in history class, in which we all know that statistics can only be taught in math. Furthermore, I have used the data from the Pew Research Center 2025, which have provided me the opportunity to go over the global trends without bias. And I want to thank the instructor, Dr. Evans, for allowing us students to use data. References: Pew Research Center 2025, June 9th, How the Global Religious Landscape Changed from 2010 to 2020. Pew Research Center, Religion and Public Life, pewresearch.org. Pew Research Center 2026, March 11, Buddhism, Recent Decline in East Asia, pewresearch.org.